TV. You know when you see anybody on the screen, you know I'm about to bring to you the latest, hottest movie about to hit the cinemas. So guys, I'm live here at the movie premiere of Ayinla. From my dancing step, you could tell that I am perfectly ready to eat tonight. So guys, come along with me as I bring to you amazing guests ready to grace this occasion tonight. I mean, Ayinla movie, I grew up to get to know about this man. I didn't even grow up to get to see or let me say listen to more to his songs, but I read a lot about him. So coming together to create this movie with the amazing younger generation and older generation in person of Dada and Tunde Kilani, then you should know that is about to be a blast. I'm not going to tell you guys anything or into what this movie is all about, but the guests will do their job. So come along with me as we go rock the amazing guests ready to bring to us the juicy night. Come on, dance with me. If you are a proud Yoruba girl, I mean a proud Yoruba breed, then you should know that tonight is about to get lit. And with me here is the Bayego of the Ijebu land. Am I correct? Ijagu. So what?
Jaguar shall be the land and the Bashoru of the Lugunov.
The Bashoru. So I'm right here with the Bashoru. I'm going to call him the Bashoru of Nollywood right now. Good evening. Good evening, boss.
Good evening. Good evening.
How you doing today about the show? How are you feeling? Okay, so for me, how long did it take you to look this? Will I call it royalty look? Yes.
Well, this is my usual chieftaincy dressing, so I mean I'm kind of used to it, so not really that long.
All right. All right, so I didn't grow up to get to know about Ayinla, but are you a fan of Akpala music?
Oh yeah, most definitely. We grew up on it.
Okay.
You know, and because his music was so instructional and so filled with morals, then I mean it's the kind of song that you cannot forget. You understand? So we grew up on this kind of music. So I mean we're home right now.
All right. So can you compare the music of then to the music of today?
No, how about now? How? Igimuji knows now. You understand? I mean, these days all you hear is, you know, shake what your mama gave you, connect on this and this, your booty, or connect on you. You understand? But then they sang consciousness music. You understand? They talked about things happening in the nation. Especially Omowunmi, you know, talk about, you know, manners, about morals. One of his most popular songs was talking about the wife being respectful to the husband and all of that, and asking whether she didn't learn anything from her parents, where she's coming from. I mean, that's the kind of consciousness that you had in such songs, and it is hard for such songs to die, you know, because they remain relevant even till tomorrow. So you cannot compare to the kind of music that we're hearing. We still have some fantastic young people who are doing good music these days, but I mean, come on.
Okay guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of Ayinla, and with me here is one of the representatives of the descendants of Ayinla. Just take a look at his outfit. Come on, turn around, boss, turn around. Oh shit. This one is not Yoruba demon, no. This one is Ayinla demon. Okay, so tell me, boss, how do you feel to be here tonight?
I'm excited. I want to learn from Tunde Kilani. I want to relearn and unlearn.
You're tired of learning?
Exactly, until I'm tired of learning. But you can't be tired of learning. I know that Ayinla is a name that I've been hearing from the one of my life, and I'm still hearing Ayinla. So I want to learn about who this character Ayinla is. You know, anywhere you hear his music, he has his own style. It's unique in its own form. And seeing a movie being done for this character, I can't wait to step into the auditorium.
Okay guys, with me here is the one and only Tayo funny role of Big Brother Africa. Good evening, boy.
Yeah, good evening. How you doing?
How you doing?
I'm doing awesome.
Why you know you're Ayinla outfit? Why you putting on English outfit?
Well, you can see my Ayinla feel you know. So what I did was that I brought a bit of the past, you know, and a bit of today, and then I mixed it together. Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, what can you say about the music of today with the music of then?
Yeah. What I would say is what most of the music of today is lacking is originality, in terms of or teachings. Let me say it that way. You know, that teachings, not originality. We're still original. Most, you know, but teachings, you know, back in the days you listen to artists like Ayinla to learn. You know, there are some idioms that I learned from listening to music like Ayinla, Kayode, Fashola, Toyin Ajagun, you know, because my dad used to play a lot of this music, you know. So yeah, well, I didn't have a choice, but I ended up falling in love with them, you know. So well, so that's the difference. I would say you listen to the music from back in the days, and then you learn about who you are, about your tribe, more idioms, more words of wisdom, you know. Yeah.
And cultural values.
Exactly, yeah. But today, you know, it's just all about the groove. Or they will say cruise, right? Yeah.
Okay, so tell me, Mr. Tayo, what exactly are you expecting from this great movie, Ayinla?
Well, I'm not expecting anything lesser than the best. Like I said, Ayinla was one of the best musicians of all time. So I'm looking forward to learning about him, which will be very, very interesting. At the same time, Patunde Kilani is someone that growing up, I've seen a lot of his work. He's fantastic, he's phenomenal, you know. So, and when it comes to Kagbe Ashale Walaruge, I know he's at the forefront of it, and that's what I'm also for.
If you know my track record, I always make film that has a bit of me in it, and this is about own, you know, the idea that African filmmakers or storytellers must go back and dig our own stories from our rich cultural heritage. And so it's so natural to me that I would be interested in doing Ayinla, because since I was young, I've been listening to music, you know, and I come to realize what he did, the importance of his contribution to African music, because although he was not educated in that sense, but between him and the star drummer Ademoye, they gave us 20 volumes of music. You know, most of it not written down, but from their own memory. And this is not ordinary music. This is music that contains poetry, you know, stories, philosophy, current affairs, and things like that. So I think it would be irresponsible of me not to make this film.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, with me here is one of the greatest stylists. You know, when I'm talking about the greatest stylists of my generation, I'm super proud of this man right there with me. Good evening.
Good evening. How are you? I'm very well, thank you. How are you?
Now you're with the real Ayinla. Take a look, just look at this. Now you're with the real Ayinla, like you can't prepare.
Well, I did. I don't really go out. Yes, based on my profession, and I don't really go out. But every time I have the opportunity to go out, I dress up.
Watch out, you know. Okay, so tell me, what do you have to say about this movie, Ayinla?
I really can't wait to see, because I'm a huge fan of Patunde Kilani from the days of Tolu Anile, Shawaride, Agogwewo, Oleku, Thunderbolt, Mami, Yellow Card. I've seen it. Yes, I'm a huge fan. I'm a huge fan of his work. I can't wait to see this. The cast is stellar. Yes.
Okay, guys, with me here is one of the major cast of this great movie, Ayinla, Mr. Adedimeji, Lateef. Good evening.
Good evening. Doing good.
So tell me, how do you feel about this movie? Show me your excitement.
I'm excited, actually. I'm excited. I'm happy.
Okay, what difference can you tell between the previous movies that you've been in and this present one?
When people see this, they will know that the difference is clear. You know, it's away from my comfort zone. It's away from what I've always done. You know, it's not my thing. I'm not an Akwala person. I don't listen to Akwala music. I don't, you know. And right here, I have to do it. I have to
get the characterization of somebody that died some 40 years ago. I don't even meet him alive, you know. It was a lot, but I love every bit of it.
So between the music of then and the music of now, which do you prefer?
The music of then tells a lot of message. The music of then is still relevant right here, you know. We have a lot of music now that is relevant as well, but you cannot compare them. You cannot compare what people sing in those days and what they sing now. It's a big difference.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of Ayinla, and with me is one of the top cast in this movie, the most beautiful I've ever seen. Give it up for Miss Jumoke.
Hey, hello beautiful people. My name is Jumoke Odetola, and I'm super excited to be at the movie premiere of Ayinla.
Okay, now she already said she's super excited. So tell me, Mama, what should we be expecting from this movie?
Expect excellence. Yes, expect something that would linger in your heart forever, because this is a timeless movie. Come on, you know the producers, Tunde Kilani, Jade Oshiberu. So expect something fantastic, outstanding.
Okay, guys, we're still live here at the movie premiere of the Ayinla, and with me here is one of the bravest, the strongest of my generation. I'm super proud to have Mr. Macaroni. Yes, you're doing well. I really want to tell you that.
Thank you.
Thank you for making us proud.
Thank
We're
you.
proud of you.
Thank you.
Okay,
Thank
so
you.
tell me, how do you feel to be here today?
I feel excited. I feel amazing. So amazing. It was great. It was great to have been called on the project, and it's totally amazing to be on it. And I can't wait for the world to see what we've done.
Okay, so tell me one of the challenges that you faced during the production of this movie.
I mean, every story would have their own challenges, you know. So, but it's not really a challenge, because that's your work, to go through the script, you know, and then put yourself in that character. So what I simply did was I read the script to the best of my knowledge, I did my research, and I immersed myself in the character.
Okay, guys, with me here in the movie premiere tonight is the one and only beautiful Ozaz. I mean, take a look. Just take a look at this beauty. She's not a Yoruba, but at least she came out outstanding. So tell me, Ozaz, how long did it take you to lick this goal?
We thank God. We'll just thank God. No, not long. But however long it took, we thank God.
Who made your outfit for you? Who made your outfit?
Wisdom, Frankie.
So tell me, Ozaz, you're not being a Yoruba tribe. You're not from Yoruba, right?
I'm sorry?
You're not from Yoruba. You're not a Yoruba tribe, right?
Oh, no, I'm not.
Okay, so tell me one thing that excites you, leaving your comfort zone to come see this movie.
It's a Nigerian story, and I support Nigeria wholeheartedly. One Nigeria for me. So, you know, whatever tribe it is, I'll support it, because it's telling our stories, it's showing our roots, and it's giving the world a taste and an experience of who we are.
It's with me again tonight. He's one of the most beautiful female skitters. If you're very familiar, if you're a good follower of Mr. Freaky Macaroni, then you should know who I'm about to introduce to you. Matunde, the very lady that's bringing different men and is here to be a husband. Give it up for Matunde. Hi, Matunde. How you doing? You look so beautiful between. Come on, turn around. Let me see. You're welcome. So tell me, how long did it take you to make this goal?
I was actually told about it today, and I just, after a shoot, I just went home, picked a dress, now that I already had this.
Well, you never look like one that just got prepared for this event today.
I've had,
you know, you look like someone that's been preparing for.
I'm not even preparing, I'm thinking, hey, God, I'm going to make it out of this.
You know, but you look good in between, I must say. Okay, so tell me, what exactly are you looking forward to see in this?
Okay, so I'm looking forward to see culture, actually. Like, I'm very curious to see what, I really do not know his story, so I want to actually learn his story. I want to know what he's been up to and all that. So I'm looking forward to culture, I'm looking forward to, I mean, that time, back in the days and everything. So I'm just looking forward to a whole drama.
Guys, we're still right here at the movie premiere of Ayinla, and with me here is one of the representatives of the Ayinla. Give it up for Seyi Awolowo. Come on, see that smile.
How you doing? What's good? Bound.
Oh, okay. Shake his head, I can't number.
You know, but sure. Okay.
Okay, so tell me, Shay, how do you feel to be here tonight?
I feel good. I feel really good. I mean, it's a colorful look. I mean, you're well dressed in our native attire, like I enjoy. So, I mean, I feel good. I feel comfortable out here.
All right, so what exactly are you expecting from this great movie?
The best of the best. I mean, it's the Baba. It's our Baba that is about to shoot. That is doing the thing. It's Kunle Kelani himself, and I mean, I'm expecting the best of the best.
Atmosphere is becoming so super interesting. I mean, you need to see the different outfit I'm seeing tonight. I'm super excited to be right here at the movie premiere. And look at what Anto gave me. Come on. Take a look at the princess. Come on, turn around, baby. Turn around. Okay, so tell me, how long did it take you to look this good out?
We've been doing this since 12 this afternoon, and I'm just arriving. So yeah, it takes a village, as we know.
Okay, so tell me, Anto, what exactly are you expecting from this movie tonight?
I'm super excited. I think this is probably like the first biopic that we've produced. And I mean, I think it's an amazing person that we are going to watch. It's a generator of music that we listen to today, you know? So I'm super excited about it. And of course, I can't wait to see Adedimeji. I think he is about to kill this role over and over and over again. So I'm pumped. I'm ready. Okay. I've been dressing up since 12 just for this movie, okay?
Okay, so Ayinla is actually representing the Ayinla, the Benin Ayinla part of this great movie premiere tonight. Good evening, Ayinla.
Good evening.
So,
I'm good. I feel like we've become like so regulars every time we're seeing each other. So,
okay, so tell me, Ayinla, what exactly are you expecting from this movie?
I mean, it's two kings, Jade Osibero and Tunde Kelani, who have come together. I'm expecting a killer, obviously.
All right, so Ayinla, what difference can you tell between the songs of then and the songs of now?
I mean, I feel like a lot of songs then were very played on meaning and telling like the society, which is quite different now. Now we just want to, you know, like escape from our troubles. So that's what I like really love about it.
Okay. Hey! Oh my God, I'm super excited. I mean, guys, I'm so proud to be a Yoruba girl. I mean, this movie is all about culture, telling us, I'm not going to tell you guys, because I don't want to give you expo. So come out June 18, come watch this movie yourself. You need to see the great magic Adedimeji, Lateef, Omowunmi, Dada, Mr. Macaroni performed in this great movie. And I must say a kudos to Mr. Tunde Kelani and also Jade Oshiberu. Thanks for giving us this amazing movie, and I'm very sure that people can't wait to watch it. So guys, come out June 18, watch this movie, tell me how you feel about it. But until then, I'm gonna see you some other time. I still remain your humble girl, E-to-the-N-N-Y, B-E-R-R-I, Annieberry, and keep it locked down on Plug TV, where we bring you the best. Bye.